Monster friends to the boys and girls. Hey Digimon, hey Digimon. Champions of the digital world. Hey Digimon, hey Digimon. The ultimate friends to the boys and girls. Hey Digimon, hey Digimon. Champions of the digital world. 7 young kids go to camp for the summer and wind up living in a digital land where everybody gets to meet his own Digimonster, a digital companion, a digital friend, a Digimon and trainer.
Ni hao, Ben 10 Fusion fans. Tonight we're gonna draw the fusion of Upgrade and Ghost Freak. All right.
Digimon is gonna find the strength within. A Digimon is always gonna be your friend. A Digimon is gonna be there till the end. And everybody knows when things go wrong, that's when the Digimon is gonna be strong. Hey Digimon, hey Digimon. Monster friends to the boys and girls. Hey Digimon, hey Digimon. Champions of the digital world. Hey Digimon, hey Digimon. The ultimate friends to the boys and girls.
All right. When I first found out that Ghost Freak and Upgrade had its own fusion, at the Ben 10 DNA lab, I never would have expected it to have a transformation like this guy. But on the plus side, it actually looks like an interesting form for a Ghost Freak. And Upgrade. Alright, let's get going. I know that Ghost Freak and Upgrade are awesome, but I never would have been suspected that they fuse like this. Here's the hand. Here are the fingers. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Hey Digimon, hey Digimon. Monster friends to the boys and girls. Hey Digimon, hey Digimon. Champions of the digital world.
So play again.
I'll repeat the song.
Digimon, hey Digimon, monster friends to the boys and girls. Hey Digimon, champions of the digital world. Hey Digimon, the ultimate friends to the boys and girls. Hey Digimon, champions of the digital world. 17 kids go to camp for the summer and wind up living in a digital land where everybody gets to meet his own Digimonster, a digital companion, a digital friend. A Digimon a tree, a Digivolve to rookie, a Digivolve to champion and ultimate too. I'm gonna save the digital world for me. I'm gonna save the digital world for you. Hey Digimon, monster friends to the boys and girls. Hey Digimon, champions of the digital world. Hey Digimon, the ultimate friends to the boys and girls. Hey Digimon, champions of the digital world. The Digi world is safe in the Digimon's hand. With the rookie can't do, the champion can. When a Digimon fights and a Digimon wins.
Here are the fingers.
Digimon is gonna find the strength within.
I never would have,
Digimon is always gonna be your friend.
well, upgrade with black and white paint. That's interesting.
Hey Digimon, monster friends to the boys and girls. Hey Digimon, champions of the digital world. Hey Digimon, the ultimate friends to the boys and girls. Hey Digimon, champions of the digital world.
There he is. That's how you draw the fusion of Upgrade and Ghost Freak. This Upgrade Ghost Freak fusion is awesome. It's actually kind of interesting now that I think about it. I finally got it completed. That's all for now. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel and let me know which fusion you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.